Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to retrieve the hard disk serial number using Delphi. Let's get started. We'll be using the Windows Management Instrumentation, or WMI, to get the hard disk serial number. WMI allows us to access system information, like the BIOS or hard disk serial number. Here's the function we'll be using. This function queries the Win32_disk drive class, which represents a physical disk drive as seen by a computer running the Windows operating system. The serial number property of this class gives us the serial number of the hard disk. Now, let's run this code and see what we get. As you can see, we have successfully retrieved the hard disk serial number. This is a unique identifier assigned by the manufacturer to your hard disk. It can be useful for various purposes, such as inventory management in an organization, or for software to verify that it's running on a specific machine. Please note that this code might not work on some systems due to security settings. Also, the serial number you get is the one assigned by the manufacturer, not the volume serial number that you can change. And that's how you retrieve the hard disk serial number using Delphi. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. I want to take a moment to thank all of you for your support. Your likes, shares, and comments really mean a lot to me. They motivate me to keep creating these tutorials for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. That way, you won't miss any of my future videos. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might find it helpful. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for more Delphi tips and tricks. See you in the next video.